Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause or cancel an email funnel in your Klaviyo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to go ahead and pause an email in Klaviyo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that offers change. So sometimes your email funnel is no longer relevant for one of your offers, so you need to pause it or even delete it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pause one of your email funnels, you're going to click on flows right here on the left. Don't get that confused with campaigns. Campaigns is when you are sending out one-off email. Flows is your email funnels in Klaviyo. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of your email funnels in Klaviyo. You can see I just have this one. So just scroll through until you find the one you want to pause. So for example, this one, and just click on the name of the funnel. It's written in blue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your email funnel. And in order to pause this funnel, what you're going to do is click up here on the top right, update status. All right, once you do that, you can see mine is set to live right here. And what you're going to do is click on this black button, add status change. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click right here and click on draft. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and click on save here at the bottom. Okay, now you can see I've set it to draft. However, it looks like it's going to happen 20 minutes from now. So let me go ahead and just click right here and edit. And let me go ahead and turn that back a little bit. So let's do 115 and save. Okay, now it's too early, so I need to go ahead and change that. Let's do, well, it's not letting me do. Okay, so I did 25. Let's click save. Okay, so it would only accept 130. So 5 minutes from now, it's going to go to draft. Now I've already set this email funnel up to go live a week later, but let me go ahead and just delete that. Okay, I'm going to delete and delete. Okay, I'm going to click close. Okay, now you can see that I have paused this email funnel. It's now in draft. So if I want to go ahead and make this active again, I'll have to go in there and update the status once again. So this email funnel is not going to continue unless I enable it. Okay, so let me go ahead and exit this. Okay, so here we are back in my funnels. You can see right here, it's in draft, so it's paused. Now, if you need to just go ahead and delete it, if you're not going to use it again, you can go ahead and click on these three dots and then just click on delete. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to pause or even delete your email funnel in Klaviyo, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.